novelty. One of a kind, you let me get away. Slip through the cracks, 'cause you took me for granted. Took me. Curiosity, how can you not see? I'm a novelty who just wants to get chosen. Didn't put all this work in you just to walk away. My time and my love should be treated as a novelty. A novelty.
At least we try.
this fragile fantasy. Don't care where you're going and I don't care where you're from. Just here for the night, I'm not looking for the one. Pretend we're long lost lovers, no tomorrow on our tongues. Stop your lips from moving, don't ruin the illusion. Don't ruin the illusion. Don't ruin the illusion. Don't ruin the illusion. Don't care where you're going and I don't care where you're from. Just here for the night, I'm not looking for the one. Pretend we're long lost lovers, no tomorrow on our tongues. Stop your lips from moving, don't ruin the illusion. Don't ruin the illusion. Don't ruin the illusion. Don't ruin the illusion.
मैं तो खोया रहूं तेरी यादों में, तेरी बातों में, ना तुझे जाने मैं दूं अपने ख्यालों से। ना जाने कितने पल तूने मुझको रुलाया, फिर भी मैंने कभी
is
न
not
छोड़ा तेरा साया।
English.
बेपनाह दिल को मैंने तो खुद ही संभाला। मैं तो खोया रहूं तेरी यादों में।
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Banana Bread Trades. My name is Goose. It is Monday, Thanksgiving week. Probably get some good trades in today and tomorrow, and then take Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off. It is vacation week for a lot of people. Wednesday's generally low volume. Thursday markets close for the holiday, and then Friday is disgusting. So that's what we're looking for going into this week. How was your weekend, fam? How's everyone doing? My weekend was cold. It was like 20 degrees. Week like completely skipped the 70s and I'm upset about it. I'm very upset about it. Overnight, looks like we got some good movement. We're at the bottom of that overnight range. Let's look at the 15-minute chart and take a good look at Friday. 5 days. Okay, so Friday we open here and it's just a disgusting range all the way until close. Okay, so we didn't miss much. We didn't miss much at all. Good day to miss, I guess. That's what it looks like. Overnight, that's wrong. Is that really that big of a gap? I don't think so. Gotta love rhythmic data.
My days have been numbered too long since your irreplaceable heart has gone. I can't shut my eyes before dawn. A life without you has been hard enough.
Overnight, the bottom is a finished auction at $39.50. That's probably gonna get stopped, but oh well. I liked the structure look of it. But also I don't like this. This looks bottomy. Yeah, that got stopped. Oh well. Look at daily. It's kind of bull flaggy. Could sell off. Nice P profile as well. Bounced right in our zone, so goated, right? Yeah, monthly's a really nice P profile. It looks toppy. I'd be interested in buying a put. Let's look at some puts.
I said I'll hold on. It's a simple principle, but now I'm stuck on my own. I need to find a way.
Yeah. If we get any sort of pumpage today, might buy a put. You can usually tell how real move up is based on call prices. And I bought a call like right here. And I sold one right here, and I'm still holding on to one. And the difference in value from here to here literally almost hasn't changed. Like if this was a real bull run, this value of this call would be so much higher, but it's just not. It just shows that people aren't interested in buying yet. You know, there's not a lot of people buying calls. The demand for calls isn't high. This makes me think this bull run isn't the real deal. Although we still got another move down yet. I mean, this whole move up's just been disgusting. Look at this chop. This whole moves up has just been like random news event pumps us for like an hour. And chop, sell off, chop, chop, chop. Chop, 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 chop. You know, like this All these other move ups, they're clean. Like they're fucking, it's clear uptrend, you know? And then the downtrends are pretty clear downtrends with the occasional thing going on. We'll get some more calls. Yeah, so pretty much watching, see if this breaks down today. See if we break down and sell. Go get 820. We already tested 920. We test 920 again. I'm gonna say that's pretty bearish. I mean, this looks kind of bullish here, the structure here, though. Like it's kind of chilling out. Gonna bust. Let's check the juice. Or news. Yeah. Nothing interesting. Checking the news. You don't think December is going to be the last rate hike? We know. Jay Powell literally said it wouldn't be. So let's rise further. Jay Powell literally said that. Yeah, none of that's new news. Sure. China's going in lockdown. Nothing spicy. Nothing spicy. Oh, so we stick to the plan with no interesting news coming out today. We stick to our plan of the 15-minute chart here. Make it big. We stick to this plan right here. We're a buyer above 920. We're a seller at 4080, right? Last week's volume profile. Pretty heavy volume towards the bottom side, kind of where we're at right now. At the bottom of the range, gosh dang it, quit moving. There. At the bottom of the range, quite a bit of volume, not a lot of volume at the top, not a lot of buyers up here. But overall, we're still just kind of in this gross range. We need to do something. The 920 zone is still a good buy. Overall, this overnight structure here looks pretty bullish. Not a whole lot of movement. Yeah, really like almost no movement. That's bullish. So we probably rip right it open, I would assume. I put money on it. Yeah, I'd put money on a opening rip. Especially VWAP up at 643. Yeah, maybe one more pull back to like 608. Then long. But the bottom looks good. Not a whole lot of like. ES 1 minute. ES 1 minute looks a lot, or ES chart in general looks a lot more bullish than there we go. There we go. That's better. ES looks a lot more bullish than NQ does. NQ sold off a little more. But overall, we still kind of flattened out here. Looks like a nice stopper in there. Now we just need a buy opportunity. We did break that double top, so you come down. We are kind of at the bottom of that range too. You know, that weekly range right here. 950. So we're vibing. And it's Monday. No need to get like super antsy anything. We took that one tiny little stop, but that was more structure based. It looked yummy. And it wasn't. But I ain't sad about it. Although we would have gotten pated looking at it now. We shorted right here. Literally stop ran us and then would have got, you know, 6 or 7 points out of it. So that's nice. Always love being a stop run. But we got it at a really good price. Virtually break even right now. I wouldn't even count that as a full stop. Down like $70. It's not even a third of the full trade, so. Hey, good morning, Mr. Viper. Yeah, you digging the new fit? We are silly goose indeed. How is Mr. Viper doing? How's class going? How's being a doctor? Or learning to become a doctor? Got more work than ever. Yeah, it's about that time for like, it's like midterms. Worst 4 weeks ahead. Yeah, you got midterms going on right now probably, and then you got finals in like 4 weeks. It's gonna be disgusting. It's the worst. Like the week after Thanksgiving is usually terrible because there's a whole bunch of tests, right? Because teachers are like, oh yeah, go enjoy your Thanksgiving. Not. You need to do a lot of studying. And then, you know, you roll right into finals. And finals are garbage. I hope I'm not getting sick. If I get sick, I'm gonna be upsetty spaghetti. Yeah, but it doesn't sound great. Anatomy. Dude, anatomy classes are wild because they'll just be like, yo, what's that ligament in your back torso called? Just like, what? And like, yeah, you need to know the scientific name for just like the The names for them are outrageous too. I couldn't spell half the things that you have to know in anatomy. So, good luck to you, sir. Are you gonna buy a... I know you got a busy 4 weeks ahead, but are you gonna buy a combine if they come on sale for Black Friday? I'm waiting on the Bolinox one to come out. They got a I'm hoping the Bolinox sale is going to be at least at minimum 80% off lifetime, which means the 50K account would be like $29 a month, right? So you could literally take as long as you wanted, and your subscription fee would only be like $25 to $29 a month. Like, so I'm planning on buying a few and just like working on one at a time, and like, yeah, I might not get some of them past like the first month because I'll be working on other ones, but it's not costing me a lot, you know. So that's what I'm looking forward to. That way, you know, I'm not paying like a full subscription fee the next month. Yeah, it's nice, right? It allows you to take it a lot slower because you're not worried about that sub fee. It's like, oh, it's gonna take me 3 months. Okay, so I'm gonna spend $90 over the span of 3 months trying to pass this thing, which is fine. You know, like that's totally reasonable. There's doing a little bit of a silly boy. I want a long, but not yet. I'm just wondering if we break this range. I'm so tired of it. So tired of being like just locked between levels. There's no trends by Mike Dimes right now.
Please don't tell me anymore about her.
615, no, it was 685.
'Cause now I've got a concrete image of her. Now I'm caught up in your broken past. I don't wanna hear about her.
Let me check one other thing. Let's look at what
She had a home.
HP is gonna.
It's funny.
Hey, good luck, big dog. You got this. I'm feeling sick too, so maybe that's something. Our birthdays are the same and we get sick at the same time. It'd be hilarious. Hopefully we don't croak. But good luck, big dog. Keep studying so you can learn how to make us healthy again. HP. We're connected through YouTube. You have a great day, Mr. Viper. Let's look at overnight HP. Oh, 177 or 744. Oh, it's sort of way below expected HP. 3964. We're below that HP as well. Whoa. Is that a triple? Is that a quadruple top? Oh, 3964 is a quadruple top. I'm all in long, baby. I'm all in long. I'm not, but I like the long. Like that's gonna bust. Volume's just still super low. That's for thin. I wanted that long too. So I think it's bullish. But there really wasn't a long entry, so. Oh, that's painful to watch now. That's really painful to watch.
Falling in and out of love at
I want the
speed of
long.
light. Gravity can hold me down. I told you and me where the lightning strikes. Follow at the speed of the sound. I know love comes in seasons. I believe in our world has come undone. Can I rewind its orbit and stare into
Overnight structure is pretty bullish.
I can't feel that you know. So I wait in the house, thrown at the face alone. I know love comes in seasons. I can't face these feelings. My world has come undone. Oh, I know if I let you know, then I'll let you go.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sad about missing this long. It looks like it's gonna rip now. And that was my entry. Oh my god. I cry. We talked about it. We looked at it and we're like, oh, it looks so bullish. And I missed it. I'm so sad right now. I cry tears, honestly. I cry big old tears.
Speaking out loud, trying to make you proud, finding my place in your heart.
I need to check one thing.
What you want to hear, since I'm filling up with fear. Can't believe you're near, so let's stay right here. You're really making me see all of the good we can be here in your arms, counting all the stars. Oh, 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 when will you have time to keep me in your life? So, oh, oh, our past is forgotten, our stories rewritten.
Is Thursday complete day off? Oh, let me pull up the schedule for you here, big dog.
See you smile, make it last for a while. Showing
There was a calendar posted in the Discord. Okay, well, it's a lot further up here than I anticipated. Oh, here it is, finally. These are all the markets and what their day looks like. So we're open, right? But it's not full day. So Wednesday, Thursday, it's like a half day. And then Friday is like a full day. It's just gross. So I pretty much don't even mess with it. Also, now that I look at this chart more, it's more confusing. Like, it says Wednesday, but then it's Friday, and then it's Wednesday over here. And now looking at this, like, it honestly just makes me more confused. Yeah, this is a terrible list. Now that I look at it, whoever came up with this list did a really bad job. I think this is close, and then the open is after the close. Maybe it's because of their time. I don't know. That's tough. That's a tough read. I'm just gonna close that. But yeah, Thursday's like a half day or it's fully closed. I don't know. I don't even touch it. I think it's a half day. And then same thing with Friday. It's super low volume. I know that, and it's usually pretty gross. I don't usually fucks with it. Oh, we're at VWAP on NQ. Do I take that short? Not really. I don't think so. I'm just too bullish. Yeah, it's a great like 3 days to just not trade. I'm gonna trade Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday will be just regular days, right? Monday and Tuesday will be chill. But then, yeah, Wednesday's usually kind of gross, like less volume. Thursday's terrible. And then Friday's usually gross. So I don't trade any of those 3 days. Just use it kind of as a vacation. And then we're up into December. And we get like 2 good weeks of trading in December. And then we get Christmas week. And then we get New Year's week, and both those weeks suck. So I might not even trade till I'll get like 2 weeks of trading after Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'll get 2 weeks of trading. Actually, I guess 3 weeks. So we'll have that last week of November, first week of December. Then we'll have the 5th through the 9th, 12th through the 16th. But then 19th through the 23rd is a garbage week. And then 26th through the 30th is a garbage week. But then after New Year's, it's chill. Yeah, so December's pretty much going to be a wash. December's usually garbage trading anyway. Like, I don't know. Oh, it kind of sold off at VWAP, but it's got an unfinished auction at the top, so I'm not too like horned up on it. But yeah, no, December's just kind of a wash of a month. Like, what I'll probably do most December, because like I'm doing pretty well in my funding accounts right now and my personal account. I probably won't trade my personal account or funded accounts much in December. And I'll just work on getting the rest of my accounts funded. I think we have an end of year pump. Honestly, no. So we were looking at this earlier. And let's pull up the daily. I think we're setting ourselves up for a nice end of year doom. Depends. If we go higher than what we are right now, like right, if we don't sell off here, again, I'm pointing at the screen like you can see it. If we don't sell off here, then I can see us probably getting an end of year pump. But if we pump any higher, if we get to this upper trend line here or above it to our 4200 level, if we get to there, I bet we sell off the rest of the year. The balance here is on day 8 today, so usual 7-8 day breakout days. Yeah, I'm bullish slightly just based on overnight structure. So overnight structure, this is too loud. Hold on. Okay. Overnight structure is bullish. This daily structure is slightly bullish, but I mean that wick is pretty toppy, you know? Like the top is pretty good. We got a P profile. I'm kind of watching. If we break 39.20, then like we're for sure selling off hard, right? Oops. Oh god dang it, I didn't want to move that. I don't know. We're right in this balance, right? So we'll see what direction we break, and then we'll just have to play accordingly. But I kind of got mixed signals, you know? There's some bullish structure, but then volume and a few other things are bearish. And also, it's just not really clean at any like level right now either. It's just been this super gross. Yeah, from the whole year PA, it would make sense to dump here. I was looking at buying maybe a put. I was considering a put at least. I wanted to see how open went. Next Wednesday? Because we don't have FOMC this Wednesday. FOMC schedule. November. Yeah, we wouldn't have FOMC this week, I wouldn't think. 22. We're in 2022, right? Yeah. 2022, November 4th and 5th, and then we don't have anything till December 15th, 16th. It might be, let me pull up the, I keep doing that. I want to pull up this. What day is Wednesday? 23rd. Oh, minutes. Minutes are Wednesday. FOMC minutes. I see what you're saying. Yeah, FOMC minutes are released, but it's not usually as so the minutes are the written up review of the FOMC meeting, kind of, and what kind of look forward to into the next meeting. But sometimes it can be really bullish, or not bullish. Sometimes it can be really volatile and give us a little bit of a move, but the last few haven't really done much. So plus it's over Wednesday. Honestly, if anything, more reason to not trade Wednesday. So yeah, pretty much just watching this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna wait just for initial. I'll probably wait like the first hour again, at least for the first 30 minutes. I've been playing that first 30-minute rotation pretty well lately, at least in this range. The 30-minute rotation's been working pretty nice. You just wait for like that first 30 minutes of the market open, and then literally right at the 30-minute mark almost every time. So far, like the last couple weeks, there's been a pretty nice rotation you can catch in this range, right? When it's a trend market, when it's like clear trend market, you usually don't get like the 30-minute rotation, but it's also kind of a sign that we're in a range, right? So yeah, and then we're breaking out above VWAP now. I'm just so mad. We were sitting there. I was sitting here looking at it and talking about this long that's happening right now. I was talking about taking the long at 36.14, and it just ripped without me. And I'm just like, oh, I should have just clicked the button. I kind of froze up and I didn't click the button. But I should have. My only thing was like it wasn't like a super clean level. I kind of thought we were gonna maybe move down just a little bit more, and we didn't, and that's totally on me. And I missed a lot of points, and I'm really sad about it. Oh, it's just ripping so good without me. Yeah, it's always easy to say it once it happened. The hindsight really kicks in. But like we were like literally talking about it. But I didn't like the level enough to click the button. That was the only problem. I really wanted down here at 600, but I wasn't here when we were there. I was still asleep. And I woke up and I came in and I was like, oh wow, that looks like a really nice bottom. And it looked bullish. Overnight in general looks really bullish, especially on ES. Like we didn't really move anywhere. Like even generally when we don't get a big move for Euro Open and Euro Open stays a tight chop, that usually means we're gonna break out. So yeah, it looks like it's happening early. But I would expect today that we break out of this range finally. Just based on like I know it's hard to say, but like we look, that's a lot of consolidation, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's a lot of consolidation in this zone. Like we can go ahead and move to a new spot. You know, I would not be upset if we moved to just a new range. Right? To just somewhere new, break out, and maybe even like trend for a bit. Like a trend day would be pretty epic where we don't like recover. The problem is like all the trend days we've attempted in like the last 2 weeks, they'll like start to trend and they'll get above IB and then they'll just retrace the entire day. We'll just retrace the entire day and go hit new. we'll be at the daily high and then we'll go also hit the daily low in like the last 30 minutes. And it's just like, come on, fam. Just be... I want to see commitment. And so far, the market's had no commitment. So yeah. That's pretty much the plan for today. I think we're going to go get some breakfast. And then we'll just... we'll watch open and see if we get any spice. If we get anything we can play here. Hopefully we didn't just completely miss this breakout. Otherwise, I'm going to have to FOMO pretty hard and be sad. But it looks good. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and get breakfast so I don't get tempted into anything. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay spicy. Hopefully I don't get sick. Although, for you guys, if I am sick, that means an all-day stream. So, maybe you want me to get sick. I don't know. I would rather not be sick, though. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay saucy, my friends.